G'day folks, today in this video we're going to take a closer look at the Sokani X1 video light. It's a waterproof and durable micro LED light that can be used with your GoPro and drones. So let's do a quick unboxing and then we'll take a closer look. So let's take a look and see what all comes inside the box. So the first thing we got here is some instructions. In this package here we actually have some gel filters. So there's all different colors depending what your lighting needs are at the time of filming. We have a micro USB charging cable. And we have the light itself. And here it is here. So the Sokani X1 is by the same manufacturers. You may recall I reviewed this product in the past. It's the Sokani X21. This is also a micro LED light, however they do serve different purposes. The Sokani X21 is not waterproof, however the Sokani X1 is. You can use this underwater or in the rain and you don't have to worry about damaging it. Now when you do get it, it has these two filters. One is just a light diffuser if you want to soften up your light a bit. This orange filter here is if you want to warm up the light a bit, and it replicates a 3200 Kelvin light. And as you can see, they just attach on via magnet, and same with the white one. And that's how you would use your gels as well. You would just lay it on top of the light and then add the magnet. So to charge up the unit, you're going to have to remove this little back cover here. The micro USB port is located underneath, and that's what keeps it waterproof. You will need a coin or some kind of tool to remove it. I have this thing. I always keep this with me in my camera bag. This thing can attach to your camera bag, or you can use it to attach other devices to your camera bag. It has a bottle opener in it, a little screwdriver for tightening up tripods and different things like that. Also has a little bit of a ruler there. It is a handy tool to always have with you. So we're going to just remove that, and you can see there it reveals the micro USB port. Just make sure that when you're done charging it, you snug that back on. If that's on there loose, it will no longer be waterproof. Now they give you a few different options for mounting. There's 3 1/4 tripod threads on 3 of the sides there, so you can just attach that to any kind of tripod mount. It's a nice solid aluminum light, and that helps dissipate the heat that may build up in the light, but it also makes it nice and durable, so if you're out doing different things, you don't have to worry about damaging it as easily as some other lights. Now it's got a very simple one button design. Basically you press it down, hold it in, and that turns it on. When it powers on, it's at a 25% brightness. You can press the button again, that takes you to a 50% brightness. You can press the button again, 75%, and then 100%. It's extremely bright and throws off light at a 120-degree angle. If you press it one last time, it goes into a strobe effect. And that's good for emergency situations, or if you have this mounted on a drone and you want to be able to have your drone a little bit more visible if it's going to be farther away from you. Now one really nice feature about this light is the price. It comes in at $49, so that's quite a bit cheaper than similar lights of this size and capability. Now according to the manufacturer, when you have this unit fully charged, you can use it for 12 hours at a 25% brightness, and an hour if you have it at 100% brightness. So that's not too bad. That's actually better than the competition. So all in all, it's not a bad little light for the price, whether you're using it to use with your GoPro or your drone or any kind of vlogging. It's nice that they actually have the 3 1/4 tripod threads on it, because if you have this, say, mounted in something, you could add another adapter to the top, add another cold shoe, and now you can add another accessory on the top, like, say, a microphone or even a second light if you need. So as you can see, it's pretty dark in the room right now. There's absolutely no light. So let's go ahead and we're going to turn on the light at the lowest setting. So that is the light at 25% brightness. Let's turn it up to 50%. That's 50%. And that's 75%. And there's 100. As you can see, that little light can light up the whole room and give you an ample amount of light. Now you'll notice when we throw a diffuser on, look at the back white wall, the brick texture. Without the diffuser, it's pretty blown out. As soon as we put the diffuser on, you can see there's a lot more detail in the brick, you can see. Now let's put on the warm diffuser. You can see there how it really warms up the light. There it's very cool. And there it's warm. So yeah, not too bad. So yeah, folks, that's the Sokani X1 LED light. I actually really like it. It's a nice quality build. It looks nice, and I think it'll hold up over time. I'll leave the links down in the description so you can go and check it out further. Well, folks, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.